Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You have the password. Start by opening the PDF in a full-featured reader. Enter the open password when prompted. This unlocks the content so you can act. Once opened, immediately check the document's security or permissions pane to see if printing is allowed. If printing is blocked but you legally own the file, proceed to a removal or export method. If allowed, skip to the print dialog. Make sure the reader is up to date to avoid compatibility errors. Once you confirm printing is restricted, follow a removal first path when you own or have permission. In Acrobat Pro, use File Export or File Print to PDF with document and markups selected. This often generates an unrestricted copy. In Chrome or Edge, open the unlocked PDF and choose Print Save as PDF to create a fresh file. On Mac, Previews Export as PDF can produce a printable copy. Use reputable tools only, because weak or untrusted software can corrupt the file. With an unrestricted or exported PDF, open Print, pick your printer, set page range, scaling, and quality, then print. If the job stalls, print a short range to isolate problematic pages or save a fresh PDF and print that copy. If pages render blank or fonts change, update printer drivers, try another PDF reader, or flatten the PDF by printing to a virtual PDF printer and printing that output. One key troubleshooting tip. If permission removal fails, verify you have legal authorization before using third-party removal tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.